Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore the exciting world of YouTube automation channels and how they can help you make money in 2025. First up, let's dive into Lumen5. This powerful platform allows creators to turn text into engaging videos effortlessly. Next is Pictory AI, which provides amazing automation tools that take the hassle out of video production, making it suitable for various creators. Let's compare the pricing of both services to see which one offers the best value for your investment. When it comes to user experience, both platforms have unique strengths. Let's take a closer look at how easy they are to navigate. Video quality is essential for engaging your audience. Let's see how Lumen5 and Pictory perform in this regard. SEO and marketing features are crucial for reaching your audience. Here's how each platform aids in your visibility. Customer support can make or break your experience. Let's discuss the helping hands each platform offers. Now, let's explore some success stories from creators who have used these tools effectively to launch their YouTube channels. As we wrap up, consider the insights we've gathered to determine which tool aligns best with your creative journey.